Unraveling Technology, Understanding Bluetooth-Enabled Devices. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to explore a term you've probably heard quite often, Bluetooth-enabled. Whether you're dealing with smartphones, speakers, or even cars, understanding this term is key to utilizing modern technology effectively. So, let's dive into the world of wireless communication and unravel the mystery of Bluetooth-enabled devices. Bluetooth is a wireless technology that allows the exchange of data over short distances. It uses radio waves to connect devices like phones, computers, and other electronics, enabling them to communicate without cables. The name Bluetooth is actually borrowed from a 10th century king, Harald Bluetooth, who united Danish tribes. Similarly, Bluetooth technology unites different devices in a wireless manner. A device is Bluetooth-enabled when it has a built-in Bluetooth transmitter and receiver. This means the device can send and receive data via Bluetooth to other Bluetooth-capable devices. When your device is Bluetooth-enabled, it can pair with other gadgets, allowing them to communicate. This is how your wireless headphones connect to your phone, or your fitness tracker syncs data with your smartphone. Bluetooth-enabled devices offer several advantages. 1. Wireless convenience. Say goodbye to tangled wires and cords. 2. Portability. These devices are usually small and easy to carry. 3. Low energy consumption. Bluetooth uses less power, making it ideal for small, battery-operated devices. 4. Ease of use. Connecting Bluetooth devices is typically straightforward and doesn't require complex setup processes. To use a Bluetooth-enabled device, you generally need to pair it with another device. Here's a simplified step-by-step process. 1. Enable Bluetooth. Turn on Bluetooth on both devices. 2. Make your device discoverable. Set your Bluetooth-enabled device to be discoverable, so other devices can find it. 3. Pair the devices. On one of the devices, search for available Bluetooth devices. Select the one you want to connect to, and pair them. Sometimes a PIN or a confirmation may be required. 4. Start using. Once paired, your devices should be connected and ready to use. Congratulations, you've just expanded your understanding of Bluetooth-enabled devices. This technology, while simple in concept, powers a significant portion of our daily tech interactions. Remember, whether it's for transferring files, listening to music, or tracking your fitness, Bluetooth-enabled devices make wireless communication convenient and accessible. We hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more tech insights, and thanks for watching.